Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer crispy tofu. Let's begin. We have here some tofu. It's 14 ounces and it's firm. We're going to drain the water real quick. We drained out the water. We're going to take it out. We're going to pat it down with a towel to remove some of the moisture. There we go. We're going to make 2 cuts to get 3 slices. There we go. I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing. There we go. Should look something like this. We're going to put the tofu into a plastic bag. Okay, we're going to marinate the tofu. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, there we go. Seal up the bag. Make sure to get all the air out. And just mix everything all together. Oh, and one more thing. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Seal it up. Mix everything all together. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to leave this in the fridge for 30 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, the tofu has been marinating in the fridge for 30 minutes. We're going to put that to the side. We have here some green onions. We're just going to chop it up. There we go. We have here some green onions. We're going to put the green onions to the side for right now. Next, we're going to take the tofu and put it in a bowl. We're going to take some cornstarch and pour it in. Just sprinkle it in. Just like that. And then just shake it up. Add just a little bit more. Shake it up again. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put this aside for right now and preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going for 370 degrees. And we'll be back. It's been preheated to 370 degrees. Let's put in the tofu. But before we do that, we're just going to spray some olive oil in the basket. Okay. Just going to take the tofu and put it in. Make sure they're evenly spaced out. We're just going to spray just a little olive oil on top. There we go. And let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn the temperature to 370 for 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking good. We're just going to spray a little olive oil on top. Turn them over. Okay, we flipped them all over. Make sure they're sprayed out nice and even. And we're going to put it in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Nice and golden brown. Let's take them out. Next, we're going to take some of the green onions we chopped up and put it on top. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer crispy tofu. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.